Hello, my name is Micah Etheridge, and I've been in the fire service for about 25 years. During that time, I've responded to fires, inspected buildings, reviewed safety issues, and seen firsthand how fires start and how many of them could have been prevented. Today, I want to talk with you about fire prevention and how it protects our community long before a fire engine ever rolls. In the fire service, we usually break fire prevention down into three main parts: education, enforcement, and engineering. I'll start with education. Education is about helping people understand fire risks and how to reduce them. That includes things like smoke alarms, safe electrical use, clear exits, and knowing what to do during an emergency. Over the years, I've learned that most fires don't happen because people don't care. They happen because people don't know. Education helps fix that. The next is enforcement. Enforcement is how we make sure fire codes are actually followed. In our jurisdiction, this happens through inspections, plan reviews, and follow-ups. Fire inspectors go into buildings, identify hazards, and give owners a chance to correct them. If problems aren't fixed, additional steps are taken. This process isn't about punishment, it's about preventing injuries, deaths, and property loss. The third part is engineering. Engineering deals with how buildings are designed and built to handle fire. This includes fire walls, fire doors, sprinkler systems, alarm systems, and proper exits. When engineering controls are in place and maintained, they slow fire spread, protect occupants, and make buildings safer for firefighters to operate in. Fire codes apply to both new and existing buildings. New buildings must meet current code requirements during design and construction. Existing buildings are inspected to make sure they are maintained safely. If an older building changes how it's used, for example, let's say from storage to assembly, it may need safety upgrades. This helps ensure buildings remain safe as communities grow and change. The fire resistance of building materials is not a guesswork game. It's actually tested. Nationally recognized organizations test the materials like the walls, the floors, the doors, and even constructional components to see how they perform during fires. These tests help determine how long a material can resist fire before failing. Some of the tests use expose materials to extreme heat and measure how long they hold up. Based on these results, materials receive fire ratings, such as 1 hour or 2 hour fire ratings. These ratings are written directly into the fire and building codes. During inspections, fire ratings matter a lot. If a fire rated wall has holes in it, or a fire door is missing or propped open, that protection is then lost. When we find issues like this, they become code violations because they increase the chance of fire spread and put more people at risk. Over the years, I've noticed that unsafe structures often share common problems. These include blocked exits, outdated electrical systems, missing fire doors, lack of sprinkler protection, and poor building maintenance. Vacant and older buildings are especially dangerous because fires can grow quickly before anyone even notices them. In our area, the biggest fire spread risk usually comes from older wood frame buildings, especially those without sprinklers. These buildings often have hidden spaces where fire can travel rapidly, making fires harder to control and more dangerous for occupants and firefighters. This is where plans review and structural controls really make a difference. Plans review allows fire officials to catch problems before construction begins. Structural controls like fire walls, Compartmentation and protected exits help contain fires and give people time to escape. When unsafe buildings are upgraded through proper review and enforcement, the entire community becomes safer. To wrap things up, fire prevention isn't just about rules or inspections. It's about saving lives, protecting property, and supporting firefighters before emergencies happen. Through education, enforcement, and engineering, we can greatly reduce fire risk and improve public safety. Thank you for your time and for your support of fire prevention in our community.